Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Run and Drive. Today we have a super special Mustang GT 5.0 in manual transmission with the performance pack. So we have the very nice build sheet right over here. We have our amazing salesman Dimitri. Dimitri's gonna come along with us for the ride, and you know, we're gonna talk about a little bit about the car, how it drives. As you guys can tell, there has been a lot of significant changes to the rear of the vehicle, the front of the vehicle. This thing is an absolute monster. It comes on some P0 Pilot Super Sports. I mean, those are some very nice summer sticky tires that we can kind of, you know, have some fun on. Potentially, obviously not today. It is a little bit wet, so we're gonna take it a little easy, but still be able to kind of show you like what this is about. But yeah, this car is an absolute monster. I mean, in terms of design and how this car came to be, it really depends on where you are with this. Some people love it, some people hate it. I personally love it. I think it's a great looking car. You know, Mustangs in general have always pushed the line as it pertains to design. So with this one, I hope the looks are as good as it drives. So without further ado, Dimitri, let's hop in, let's drive. Right. So this is a 6-speed manual transmission. It does have a performance pack. It comes with the beautiful Recaros that we have over here. The interior is also very nicely laid out. I do really like the inside of the car previous to the S550. I think that the screen is actually very nice. You could see everything. You have both your rev counter, you have your speedometer on the right, you have also all these cool different features that you can kind of mess around with if you want. But honestly, I know why you guys are here for. You want to see how this thing drives. So we're gonna do a little bit of a deeper dive later as it pertains to like the technology of the car, but today we're gonna go for a spin. Clutch is super nice. I mean, this is definitely a daily drivable clutch for sure. Yes, we gotta put the track on. All right.
Change the clutch.
Nice. So it does have all the other cool stuff. Oh, for sure.
So you can change your steering.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, let's go to sport. Yeah, that's what we want. All right, we're not gonna mess with this.
You have your wireless charging, Bang & Olufsen sound system. So
yeah,
I mean, they've been killing the game, I think. But this might be the last one, you know. So we'll get to see. But I'm loving that they kept going with it, and I hope they do.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
If you want, you could get in the right lane. We'll make a right, not this side, but the next side.
Oh, okay.
But how do you like the drive?
Oh, I love the drive. The drive is amazing. Hey, I might leave with it today, you know?
And then here you can make a right.
Right here, okay.
Kind of give you some empty roads.
Yeah.
For space.
So yeah, the transmission definitely feels great. You can blip the throttle if you want. I'm not that familiar with it. I believe it does blip the throttle. I think it blipped the throttle for me. Oh my god, that clutch is amazing. The clutch uptake in this thing is fantastic. It's right at the point where it's comfortable but yet sporty. So the ride is very direct. You can tell, you can feel pretty much everything that happens with the chassis. There's a small delay when you're turning. You can feel that the input of the steering wheel, the chassis kind of follows it rather than to be more immediate, but I think that's more for a comfort thing rather than anything else. Okay, let's give a little bit of beans here. Okay. Whoa, it does have a nice uptake. Ooh, that sound.
Not bad, huh?
No, not bad at all. This is nice. And guys, I don't think you guys know, and I don't think Dimitri knows, this is my first time in a Mustang GT.
Oh, really?
Yes. I've never driven a Mustang, and
I thought you would have.
No, I have never. This is actually very nice. Okay, we are at 3rd gear. So from 3rd gear, oh my gosh, this is nice. The brakes bite very decently. Okay, let's see. Ooh. And no problem. Yeah, my thoughts on this. This is absolutely, this is great. Yeah, this is very, very good. I'm very surprised. To a lot of you guys that, you know, if you have never driven the Mustang like me, I am absolutely impressed. The seats are comfortable. I'm around like 5'9", 5'8". I weigh around 180 pounds. You know, I'm a little more of a muscular build, but not too crazy. And I fit in these perfectly. I think anybody that's like over 6 feet would still enjoy being in this car.
I'm 6'2", I fit just fine.
Yeah, he's 6'2", he fits perfectly, so. Whoa. Oh man, this is great. This is great. Is there any, we can go like twisty or rotier, or no? Is this kind of mostly straight, right?
Man, it's mostly straight.
Okay, here, can we go right over here?
Yeah. Honestly, yeah.
Okay.
That might be your best option.
Okay.
Just can't go too crazy.
No. We're gonna be very respectful. We are not in Mexico today. So the clutch is very grabby though. It does need to take a little get used to, but
once you break it in a little bit too.
Yeah. Absolutely. But yeah, daily driving this thing, I don't think there would ever be any problem in it. The suspension is very nice and supple. We have everything in sport, and it still doesn't feel like it's punishing you. So I think this is a good daily driver. To anybody that really wants like a half comfortable, half sport car that they can only have one in their household. They aren't able to afford different cars. This is a very nice car to have, for sure.
So you're a fan of it?
I am a fan of it. I approve. This is a great car. That's a great car. I think Ford, at first I was a little bit iffy with it. I was like, I'm not sure if it's going to be that good, but now I understand why a lot of people drive these things.
Man, actually, when I first saw him coming on, like in the pictures, I loved it, and then when I saw it in person, I was like, man,
it's sold, huh?
Beautiful car.
Yeah. Tell me guys, what do you guys think down below? Do you guys actually like this car? What do you think? My thoughts on it, I'm very, very impressed with it. I come from a long lineage of driving Audis, BMWs, and this feels very America. This feels like bald eagle, F-16s. Like this is an embodiment of America, 100%. Woo!
And then if you want, make a right up at that light.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, this is a fantastic drive. I'm very much enjoying myself. Okay, over here, we're gonna downshift to 2nd, and we're gonna take it a little bit here. Will it slip? No. The clutch is kind of, you have to get used to it. I'm not a little bit used to it. The grab point of the clutch is a little bit high, so it definitely needs, you definitely need to drive this car a lot to be able to understand it and kind of get familiar with it. But I mean, I've been driving this thing for like five minutes. Everything is in sport, track. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And then if you want to cruise, we're in 4th gear. We have a red light up ahead, but
actually, if you want to get in the right lane, because the next lane you gotta make the right.
Got it. So what we can do here is kind of go into 5th and see if we can be economical with this. Why would you ever want to do that? But you can cruise at 1500 RPM, 5th gear, 40 miles an hour, save a lot of gas, as this is getting 6 miles to the gallon right now, but that's what this car was meant for. But if you need to, you know, be economical with it, you definitely can. First gear. And the nice part about this car, as I'm driving it, you don't really need to put a lot of gas for the car to start moving. So you can technically almost just get off the clutch and the car will start rolling. And then straight, right?
Yeah, I'll let you.
Okay.
Well, you'll see it. Can't miss it.
Okay.
We got a whole selection down here at Golf Mill Ford in Niles, Illinois.
Absolutely, guys. So yeah, thank you so much to Dimitri. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for letting me drive this beautiful machine. Yes, this car is located in Golf Mill Ford in Niles, Illinois. I'm gonna link Dimitri's details down below. So if you guys are actually interested in checking out this particular vehicle, I'll make sure I'll add the listing, add all of his information, so you guys are able to contact Dimitri directly and check this machine out for yourself. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy your time. Peace.